Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be having a new video on how to share a video with an audio sa isang Google meeting, right? So most classes today are actually conducted with the use of Google Meet since it's free and also very easy to use. So one of the cases that or one of the problems that arises from this specific type of class is that upon the presentation of any video, like maybe the Philippine National Anthem or a prayer, or any videos that are related to your topic that you want to share to your students, is that no audio is being shared as well. So only the video is seen by the students, but there is no audio. So that will be our tutorial today. We will have the right setup on how to share your video during Google Meeting. All right. So if you are new to this channel, before we proceed, please do click the subscribe button. At the same time, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload videos related to this or some tutorials. So without further ado, let's dive into our presentation or to our main tutorial. So two scenarios or two cases for this tutorial. Of course, we have two different sources, the online source and the offline source. So of course, when you say the online source, these are the sources, your videos are from online, like YouTube, Facebook, or any source that is from online or from an online source. And the second one is all about, what about if your videos are saved and downloaded already in your computer? How are you going to share that to your students with the audio included? So let's talk first about the online source. So these are the following steps that you will be having. The first one is, of course, you have to be in your Google Meeting already. So to open that, you have to open Google Meet and start a meeting, right? And then, upon creating the meeting, or if you're already in your meeting, you just have to present your tab. You have to click the present now. Clicking present now will give you three options where you can choose from. Maybe you want to present your entire screen or maybe a window. And then the third one is the one what we call a tab. And then for this tutorial, you will be choosing a tab option. Make sure also, okay, upon clicking a tab, another box will pop out. All right, it will prompt and it will let you choose on what specific tab you're going to share with Google Meet. So you have to click the specific tab that you want to share, and do not forget to click the share audio box. That is very important, because without clicking that, then that means your audio is again not included. Okay? So upon clicking the share button, you are now sharing your tab to your Google Meeting or to the meeting. Everyone can see already that specific tab that you shared. So you can just go to your YouTube tab and then play your chosen video. Okay, so let's try to demonstrate that. So what I love about this actually is because you can actually change the quality of the video, right? The sound of your video, as well as you can choose another video without interrupting the presentation. So let me have this. So join now. Okay. So again, you have to go to present now. So these are the options, right, that you have. So I'll be choosing a tab. So share a Chrome tab. Chrome wants to share the contents of your screen with meet.google.com. Choose what you like to share. So since I want to share this tab, right? YouTube. So this is a video from my that will serve as my prayer in my class, and that is from YouTube itself. So do not forget to click this, the share audio box. This is very important again. So click that and then click share. Okay, so here in your YouTube tab, you will be notified here. I mean, there is something informing you that sharing this. I mean, you are sharing this tab already to Google Meet, right? So clicking Google Meet, you'll be having the black screen and it's telling you that you're presenting to everyone. And of course, you'll be having here this option, presentation audio. So this option is giving you, again, if you haven't turned on with the prompt box a while ago, you can also do that here. So you'll click that, make sure it's on, so that the audio is also being captured and shared to your audience. So let's try to pin our presentation. So this is what it looks like. Let us say I want to play my video, right? So it's also playing here. You can adjust the window, the sizes of your window. Okay? Right? So that the students can see also how wide the screen, how wide is the screen. Then after that, again, you can adjust the volume. Maybe you want to make it louder. And the quality of your video. So just as you navigate or you get attached with your video, right? And that's what I love about this. Okay, so let us say I'm posting that, or let me play that, then let's go back to your Google Meet. Okay, so as you can see here, the sound indicator is moving. So it's telling us that a sound is being captured and being shared, right? So that means that is working. Okay, so now let me stop that. Okay. All right, now let's go back to our screen. Okay, so that's how you present a video with an audio sa Google Meet if YouTube ang source natin or an online source. So the same thing, Siam, the same ang mangyayari. Halimbawa, kung nasa Facebook yung video na gusto mong ibahagi, so the same lang ang procedure. So now let us proceed also with offline source. So again, these are the videos that you have downloaded and saved in your computer already, or maybe flash drives or any external drives. So the first thing to do is you need to find the address or the location of your saved video. Now, there are a lot of ways to find the address of your video, or that's what you call the path, right? But what we will have today is what I am usually using. Okay, so let me teach you on what I usually do in getting the address of the file. So let us go to our computer, right? I mean, these are your document. I mean, your documents here, your videos in your download area or document area, or in your desktop, or this is your file explorer. So what I want to have is I want to share this specific file or video to my students, right? So you just have to press shift and then right click on your file, and you will have this option, copy as path. Again, that's very important to press the shift button or the shift key, because without pressing it and then just doing the right click, you will not have any options here to copy the path of your file. So again, the technique is shift. So shift, right click, and click the copy as path. Okay, so we have copied the path of our the path of our file already. So what we need to do now, okay, let's have that. So next is you will go back to your Google Meet, okay? You'll go back to your Google Meet once again, right? And you open a new tab there. Of course, you just have to open a new tab and paste or Control V. Because we copied the path already of the file a while ago, so you just need to copy to paste it right now. So remove these quotation marks. Okay. All right. So after that, just press Enter. All right. So that's how easy it is. So the technique actually, guys, or the concept about this is you just need to let your Chrome browser to be the one that is opening your file, right? Because it's Chrome, share a Chrome tab. So your video must be opened in a Chrome browser so that you can share it to Google Meet. That's the concept. So do not forget on how to get the path. Again, there are a lot of ways. You can just search it online. So many ways to get it. But for me, the easiest was just to shift and then right-click and copy as path, right? Okay, so here's the video now that I want to share to my class. So the same procedure, what we did a while ago, present now, then a tab, and of course you choose the tab where your video is playing. And then you click share. And do not forget to share audio box. Okay, so here in our Google Meet, I am now presenting, so let me pin my presentation, okay? And if I play the music, so you can adjust the volume. Okay, so right now, it's what the students are having or seeing. So they have the lyrics at the same time, they have the audio of your video presented. So the sound indicator is moving, so that means our video is being captured together with the audio, or the audio is captured together with the video, and it's being shared to your listeners or your students. Okay? So let's just click on stop. Okay. So that is just how you share a video with an audio sa isang Google Meet. Diba? Napakadali lang pala. I thought I need to use another, like, another na isasaksak mo sa cellphone mo. Kasi yung mga nakikita ko sa mga kasama ko is, they have, or they will have another external speaker here at the side of their laptop, and then maybe turn it a little bit louder so that students can hear also what's the video all about. Or maybe just let the laptop have this, yung papalakihin lang nila yung sound ng laptop para ma-capture din. I think that's okay, but the thing is, the quality of the sound is no longer that nice, right? Because it's from an external sound. So mas maganda talaga yung nasa internal niya, from the inside niya kukunin yung sound niya. So from the video itself. So that would be better. So I hope you learned something from my tutorial. I know I said it's quick. I don't know if it's really quick, but I hope you learned something. And for those who haven't subscribed, again, please do so. I would I would really be thankful to you all. Okay, so thank you once again for watching, and goodbye.